Find the limit as t approaches 0 of t minus 4 squared minus 16 all over t. So there's a problem in the denominator. As t approaches 0, we have 0 in the denominator, so we have to find another way to evaluate this limit. So a good thing to do might be to just try some algebra. So the limit as t approaches 0, and I'm going to multiply this out. So I would get t squared minus 8t plus 16, and then minus 16 all over t, and this is nice, the 16s go away, and I'm left with the limit as t approaches 0 of t squared minus 8t all over t. Okay, I can factor out a t in the numerator, so I would get t times t minus 8 all over t. And now these can cancel. And I'm left with the limit as t approaches 0 of t minus 8. And now I'm ready to evaluate the limit, so I don't have to write the limit out front anymore. And I can plug in 0, and I get 0 minus 8, negative 8. So let's look at a graph of this. If we look at the graph, we see that it looks like a straight line. So you might be surprised to see that this complicated thing that we started with is actually just a straight line. But remember, it reduced to t minus 8 everywhere except for where t was 0. And that's why at t0, we see a hole. So I should actually say this is not my x-axis, this is my t-axis right here. And we see a hole right here, and as the value of t approaches 0 from the left, we approach negative 8, and as we approach 0 from the right, we approach negative 8, so the limit is negative 8.